Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on your home screen as well as the app drawer on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So if you want the apps to be hidden from here as well as from the app drawer, then you can easily hide them by going to settings, then in settings going to the home screen, and then find hide apps on home and app screens, and then you can just select the apps that you want to hide. For example, let's hide the gallery app, then click on done, and now it will be hidden. And you can either unhide it in order to use it, or you can go to your secure folder, which if you don't have, there is an option to enable it. I'm gonna do it in a moment, but first I'm gonna explain what is a secure folder. Here you'll be able to create a separate gallery app, which will just be locked with a password. So to set a secure folder, you need to be first of all logged into your Samsung account. Then if you're logged in, you can go to the security and privacy, then more security settings, secure folder. Then you'll set a password for your secure folder, which can be different than the phone password. You can also use the fingerprint, and here you'll just enable that, set it up step by step, and go to your secure folder. Now it's unlocked, but when I click here, lock and exit, then to open it, I need to use my fingerprint or my password. And here I have the gallery. So here will just be my stuff. Or if you don't have it, let's go back to the secure folder. Oh no, not here. Here. Then if you don't have it, you can just click on plus and find your gallery app from here and hide it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.